Deepak Chopra said there are two goddesses called Saraswati and Lakshmi. Lakshmi follows Saraswati all the time, which means, in other words, wealth and money follows knowledge and wisdom all the time. These more than 60 seconds are not about David. It's not even about you. It's about your passion and your talent. You are an extraordinary person. Inside you there is such a potential you can't imagine yet. During the last 2 years I have spent a lot of time and more than 40,000 bucks for studying and coaching. And today I present the Millionaire Empire. 22 laws of building a millionaire empire using internet. I built it from my own experience and the experience from the best gurus in the world in the fields of business, marketing and dream life. Apply these 22 key elements. Jump and join me and other millionaires in my online coaching program, The Millionaire Empire. Take your chance today. Join the movement and live your purpose. Become a new happy millionaire. This will be your life journey. And remember, the more you love Saraswati, knowledge, the more Lakshmi, money, wants to come to your life and be there with you. Help me spread the word and vote for me. I believe that money and happiness is here for everybody. It's your time now. You are the Millionaire Empire. Thank you.